just be like, wear eyeliner every day.
That'd be interesting to see.
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Maybe.
Wow.
Well, that's rude. You don't even tell us. You just start recording. It's not very nice.
That's rude.
What? Ew, there's like green, red, and white jizz all over the table right here.
Ew.
That's attractive.
That's Frosty.
Looks like Frosty the Snowman had some fun over here.
Ah, I got you almost.
Almost. There's a difference between almost and actually.
It's all frosty.
Now it's turning all brown from the dirt on the table. It looks like smeared poo.
Hey, I just noticed that these caps are really tiny only because it says smaller caps equals less plastic.
Oh, yeah.
Stop recording me, you retard!
Jordan, you're making me feel very uncomfortable.
How do you even know
Just
that
keep
I'm
doing
recording?
Oh, gee, I don't know. You just have a camera in everybody's face.